welcome to another Java tutorial. And in this video we are going to see what are variables and what are data types. Okay, so first of all, let's see what are variables. Variables are names given to memory location, or these are name given to say a value that we are storing in the memory. Let's see this with an example. Okay, go to project, go to the package, right click on the package, go to Java class, give name to your file, variable example. In the last or the in the previous tutorials, I told you that the basic structure of a Java file should be there should be a class, and inside the class there should be a main method. This particular file will not execute because there is no main method inside the class. So you have to write a main method, public static void main. Okay, arguments. So this is the basic structure of Java file. Okay, as I said, variables are the names given to memory location, or these are names given to value. Now what are data types? Now in a memory we are storing different types of data. Okay, it can be either whole numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 or 2 3 4 5, or it can be alphabets. So depending upon the data we are storing in the memory, it occupies different space, different size. Say integer, say the whole number occupies 4 bytes of memory, and the character or the alphabets occupy 2 bytes of memory. So the type of data we are storing in the memory, these are called as data types. Okay, so let's see how to create variables using a program. So the basic the first of all, we have to type in the data type, or the type of data we want to store. Say I want to store the whole number. Programmatically you would write int, integer, it's called as integer, then followed by the variable name, say number, then equals to what we want to store. Say I want to store 6 in the memory. So this is a base this is basically this is the way how to store, or how to store a value in the memory, how to declare variables. Okay, for first of all data type, then variable name, followed by the value that we want to store, then semicolon. Okay, let's print this particular memory is system dot out dot println. Okay, then in this we'll pass in the number. Okay, the value, or the name of the particular memory. And if we execute this file, so 6 is the output, since in that particular block we have stored 6. Let me explain this with an example. I've drawn a block of memory in the paint. So in our last example, we stored the value of 6 in the memory. So how this the memory representation will be like, suppose this is a block that I'm gonna store, say 6. I'm gonna store 6, and this particular block will occupy 4 bytes of memory. The whole number occupies 4 bytes of memory. Okay, so the name I've given to this particular memory is the number. So this particular, say this is the number, string number. So this is a name of this particular memory block. I am accessing this particular block using the name of this block. Okay, say this is the name of that block where 6 is stored, and it occupies 4 bytes of memory.